everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to put a call on hold in any iPhone smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the phone or dialer application. And now let me try to make a phone call on my other smartphone. So finally you can see I have received on my other smartphone, so you can see the timer. So now in order to put this respective call on hold, what you need to do is on your iPhone smartphone, just tap and hold this mute button for a few seconds. So now you can see here it's showing on hold. So right now you can see under the button also. So if you want to receive again this call, just press this hold button. So you can now talk back to the respective person. So by using this method, you can easily put a call on hold in any iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.